Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Sendra from Group 6 and we want to present about RFID as a room locking system. IoT as a security system started in 1989, where the first time an IoT device was known as a toaster that was connected to the internet and worked in accordance with the command of a computer. So that this concept began to be known as embedded internet or passive computing. However, in 1999, the term Internet of Things was coined by Kevin Ashton follows the launch of RFID technology or radio frequency identification. The development of the IoT began. From first RFID innovation carried out, for example, the use of a remote tracking system for goods via radio frequency. Another example is used as a security system and a payment system at this time. Then, as a project assignment, this time doing an experiment on RFID in the embedded system in room security, which make a simple system for conducting trials of RFID technology as a room security tool. Internet of Things. The many IoT tools and companies that use IoT device as security circulating today by utilizing RFID technology can be exemplified, namely the Bardi Smart Home Company, which offers RFID technology as home security. Bardi Smart Home offers a tool that can stand alone or can run the program by yourself. And Bardi also offers several other IoT tools which have very useful functions, where the goal is to create IoT tools and devices as a media that can help humans. Example product Bardi Smart Home. Bardi Smart Door Lock with handle is a door handle with a key that can be locked and opened through an application using an RFID key, using a pin, using a traditional key and a fingerprint. The function of this product, which helps human to protect the house in terms of safety, comfort, and effectiveness of activities in order to keep the house from unwanted people and help easy the locking of the house. Project creation process. Collection material. The collection of material and resources as learning is very important to create a creative mindset and have the enthusiasm to do the work and expectation of satisfying results. Implementing a trial. In this stage, a system trial and learning has been carried out in order to know really the benefits of the learning that has been learned and to know that there are conclusions from learning and after conducting the trial. Hardware use. Non-MCU ESP8266, MVRCC522 relay, DHT11 sensor, power supply, breadboard, LED, Ming-He, solenoid, and jumper cable. This is the schematic or flow of connected devices. And the pin that the jumper cable was connected or installed, the number of the pin. Okay, that's all from me. The next slide will be presented by Diki Kurniawan. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum.
Hello, my name is Diki Kurniawan. I will continue the presentation from Amirul. For the next, I want to introduction how we system to work and flow. And for one, where begins the introduction of RFID card and register of the card as access, which is designed as a key or access key to security doors. And number two, then where the system will read the card that will be the address by the user. Here there are only two initializers, namely cards that have been registered and have not been registered. And number three, if the card scanning is in the form of a registered card, the system will recognize the card, and vice versa. If the card being scanned is not registered card, then it will return to the DR reading system until the decision will be decided when the card has registered as access. And number 4, then when the registered card scans, there will be a notification that access is accepted. And number 5, so that the system will continue to turn on the relay, and where if the relay turns on, it will respond to the solenoid so that the solenoid open. And now we will going to source code. And here we have the library inclusion libraries that are used by the tool and which are needed to facilitate processing. And we have to configure Tinger.io platform, and we have define pin input or output, and defines variable Tinger.io platform. And in here we have to configure connection Wi-Fi. In the void setup, and in here we have define function begin. We define serial baud, and for us serial communication and in ITC SPI and MRFC 522 module as initiation, and defines pin out, LED pin declaration, relay as output. Then when it first turn on, the position of the relay is off. Configure Wi-Fi, enter the SSID and Wi-Fi password as a network configuration that will be used. Then make a state so that it always repeats the search until connect. And we have configure Wi-Fi for setup not MCU to Tinger.io. Enter the Wi-Fi configuration so Tinger.io can recognize if the MCU node is connected to the same Wi-Fi. And we have variable for value Tinger.io. Make the variable as the storage value that will be sent to the Tinger.io as the monitoring value that will be displayed on the Tinger.io platform. And we have to define function and variable. This is function for handle the DHT 11 sensor output value and declare the humidity and temperature variable as function of reading the sensor that the library has provided. And configure MRFC 522 RFID for a function of reading existing card and reading new card's value. And we have to conditional logic loop, set up and provide a declaration for the RFID function. When reading the card it will be convert the value of the card in decimal and repeat. And here we have condition FI, condition decision making. If ID tag is registered, we have create a condition if the card being scanned is a registered card. It will turn on the relay and send an email the user will print in serial that authorizes access. And we have to condition decision making again. If ID tag is not registered, make a condition if a card scan is carried out and the card is not registered card, the relay will not turn on. and the red light will light up and will print serial that access is denied. For we have hardware usage. For output, where is scanning tag RFID register, and where is when doing scanning tag RFID not register, LED red is light. And this is Stinger IO monitoring the HT11 value. And this is Stinger IO sending emails. For calculation, from conducting trials making RFID as an IoT platform, we can learn a lot things and has a lot of information although there are still many shortcomings in the manufacturing process, and this is finalized, and we still want to do further development, such as example of implementing the use of other application and platform. The system currently used is still prototype, and there are still many errors when scanning RFID cards or tags, and the Node MCU has not been able to work optimally and still need further code development. And for suggestion, from this project, there are still many shortcomings. For example, we still don't know how to send the value generated by RFID scanning to the IO platform Stinger IO, and there are still many things that can still be added to this project in terms of adding sensors and wider internet usage. And we want to send the value the RFID scans to do the Stinger IO platform for the development, and we want to add the use of the application as controlling for the future. Added a sensor which is useful as a support for home security performance for the next. Thank you.